Jai Hind. So in today class, we are going to learn that what is inline styles in CSS, right? So I'm going to write here like this. What is inline styles? Inline styles in CSS, right? So basically, so basically, inline styles, inline styles is a technique is a technique, right? Inline styles is a technique for giving css effects for every html elements, right? For every html elements, right? So basically inline styles is a technique for giving css effects for every html elements, right? And and inline styles and inline styles is defined for every html for every html elements inside inside their inside their tags, right? So what is inline styles? Inline styles is a technique for giving css effects for every html elements, right? And inline styles is defined for every html elements inside their tags, right? So I hope you understand what is the meaning of inline styles in CSS, right? So after understanding what is the meaning of inline styles in CSS, we need to learn how can we define inline styles in CSS. So how can we define inline styles, right? Inline styles, right? So basically inline styles is defined with is defined with is defined with style keyword, right? Style keyword inside inside html elements, right? html elements, right? So basically inline styles is defined with style keywords inside the html elements. Okay, so let's understand with one syntax, right? So basically inline styles is defined with style keyword, right? And styles keyword we are writing inside the html elements, right? So inline styles is defined with style keyword, right? And style keyword we are writing inside the html elements, right? So let's understand what is the syntax of inline styles, right? So basically syntax of inline styles is like this. So let's imagine we are defining inline styles for paragraph element, right? So inside paragraph element we will write style keyword, right? Because we already learned that inline styles is defined with styles keyword inside the html elements, right? So syntax is like this, like some element like a paragraph, right? We are defining inline style for paragraph element, right? So first of all we will write element name, which is paragraph, right? After that after that we will write style which is a keyword, right? Which is a keyword, right? For define inline styles. Okay, after that inside styles we will write like attribute. First we will write attribute, right? After that after attribute we will write value for the attribute, right? And after that its braces would be closed, right? So basically this is the syntax of inline styles, right? So let's understand with this syntax with one live example on Visual Studio Code, right? So let's move on Visual Studio Code. So let's understand here with one live example, right? So first of all, I am going to write here doc type HTML, right? So I hope you know why do we need to write doc type HTML. I hope you learned in your HTML classes, right? So after that, I am going to write here HTML, right? And after that, I'm going to write here like head section, right? After that I'm going to write here like body section, right? Okay, so inside the body section I am going to write like, I'm going to write here like paragraph, like some paragraph like welcome to CSS, right? Welcome to CSS. And I'm going to give some title to our web page, right? Title is like this: CSS tutorial, right? CSS tutorial, right? After that I'm going to run this on our live server. Okay, so you can see this is our output, right? So this is our general output, right? There is no any CSS is applied until now. Okay, so let's apply inline styles of CSS here, right? So just write here keyword of inline styles, which is styles. So first of all I will write here keyword, right? Keyword is style, right? And inside style, first of all we need to use attribute, right? In attribute I am just writing here like color, right? Color, right? After writing attribute, right? After writing attribute, now here I am going to write the value of the attribute. So which color you want to apply? I want to apply like red. Okay, like red or this color purple, right? So this is keyword of inline style, right? And inside inline style this is attribute, right? And this is the value of attribute, right? So after that now again run with live server, right? So now you can observe here our text color is completely changed, right? How it's changed? It's changed because of inline styles, right? It's changed because of inline styles, right? Okay, so I hope you understand how to work with inline styles, right? So let's give some background color to this paragraph, right? If I want to again write some effect, then I will start to write after this semicolon, because this semicolon indicates this color and this color attribute and its value is going to end here. If you want to write any other effect, so you can continue with after semicolon, right? So I want to give some background color, so I will write the effect after semicolon, right? So let's apply the effect like background color, right? Background color, I want to choose background color as like aqua. Okay, let's aqua, right? Now let's again run with live server, right? So you can observe here, we get our background effect and our text color is also changed, right? So this kind of effects, that we are doing here, this is inline styles, right? This is with the help of inline styles of CSS, right? So I hope you understand how to work with inline styles, right? So in our future classes we will learn a lot of styles, right? A lot of styles of inline, right? And we will also learn that how to work with like embedded styles, external file styles, right? So I hope you understand about inline styles and how to define inline styles and how to work along with inline styles, right? So we will meet in next lecture. Jai Hind.